So today's lesson is going to be called Finding the Start Time. I've got the steps listed over here on the left. First, you're going to set the time given on your clock that's given on your worksheet. And in our case, the first one was the time given is 9:35. So I've got my hour hand in between the 9 and the 10, indicating the hour is 9, and the minute hand is on the 35. The second step is going to be to count backwards or counterclockwise the number of hours given. And in this case, we're going to go backwards 1 hour. So you're going to select your minute hand, and you're going to go counterclockwise an entire hour and stop where it started at the 35. Okay, now the number of minutes that we're going to count backwards is 50 minutes. We're going to count by fives counterclockwise. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So now we can determine that our start time is going to be 7:45. 7:45.